So, Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel Kusum के support teaching. Today we are going to tell answer of the chapter number 3.2 and chapter name is compares a program and the books is class of 7th and board is Maharashtra board. So let us start the video and see the all easy and short question. So what is the question? So we are going to let us see. So first of all we saw first question. So like summative evaluation question. So read and practice classwork and homework assignment first. So assignment first. So first question is, why does the compare request the audience to switch off their mobile phone? The answer is, the compare request the audience to switch off their mobile phone so that they can give undivided attention to the creative expression of the youngsters and not get distracted by their other preoccupations and ringtone. And second question is, why does she requested them to be seated? So answer is, she requests them to take their seats so that she can begin the program. And third question is, at the beginning of the programs, who does the compare address by name? And answer is, at the beginning of the program, the compare address the head girls by her name. Question number 4 is, what do we learn about Sri Charudat Diwan from the compare speech? So answer is, from the compare speech we learn that Sri Charudatta Diwan is a renowned artist, a painter of international repute, proud recipient of many prestigious awards and president of Kala Ranjan Academy. And question number 5 is, who does the compare thank? Answer is, the compare thank the principals Dr. Ajinkya Prakhi. Question number 6 is, who are the following persons? So first, Mr. Avadut Pathak, President of Valand Education Society. Mr. Subhada Murarka, Head Girl of Valand Vidyalaya. Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, Principal of Valand Vidyalaya. And we saw the next question. So next question is language study. Question number 1. Read the sentence given below and complete the table. The child gave the beggar and sandwich, and the employer paid his employee their salary. Third, grandma told us a ghost story. Fourth, the accused will tell his lawyer the entire story. My sister teach me English. Vidya lent her friend her phone. 7 is, my mother served the guest of meal. And 8 is, the carpenter handed the son his tool. Serial number 1, subject, verb and direct object. Direct object. So the child gave the beggar sandwich. And second number में subject is the employer, verb is told, indirect speech or a ghost story. So subject is the accused, verb is will tell, indirect speech his lawyer, direct speech the entire story. Subject my sister, verb is teach, indirect speech me, direct speech English. Subject is Vidya, verb is lent, indirect speech her friend, direct speech her phone. Subject my mother, verb is served, indirect object is the guest, direct object is a meal. Subject is the carpenter, verb is handed, indirect object is his son, direct object is his tool. And next question is, find out the meaning of tal Kacheri. The musician session where musicians play the music of on different instrument. And butterfly in your stomach, so nervous. Think and answer. Describe the book that is in religion. So answer is the book is a volume comprising photographs of all the beautiful and unique piece of art contributed by the skillful student by Baland Vidyalaya. Second question is why does the compare thank the chief guest? So the compare thank the chief guest for the releasing the special book of formally in inaugurating street festival. Question number third, who is taking part in the Tal Kacheri? So answer is Sahil of standard 10A. Varsa, Vivek, Jubin and Govind are taking part in the Tal Kacheri. How is this vocal rendition different from music? The vocal refers to music human voice which is singing. So question is does the compare say the following at the beginning of the program of after it has ended? So 1. What is wonderful presentation? Answer after it has ended. Second, that was unit of fantastic performance. Answer after it has ended. That was indeed the fantastic performance after it had ended. Question number third is rearrange the following item in the proper order and just add the correct number in the left hand column. This question is based on the entire lesson. Answer Baland Vidyalaya Art Festival program. So 6 number Koli dance. Second lighting the lamp. 9 chief guest speak. 4 appraisals of art festival. 1 dignitaries arrive. 5 number recital of Tal Kacheri. 3rd welcome to introduce of guest. 8 prize distribution. 7 the boy comes home. A skit by standard 9. 10 vote of thanks. Language study choose the appropriate phrases to insert in the gaps to make the sentence meaningful. Use the appropriate form of the verb. To apprise, to be relieved of, to drawn the curtain, to escort, to be liked to have butterflies in one stomach. A. Before we draw the curtain, let us stand in attention for the national anthem. B number I had butterflies in my stomach just as I was to receive my report card. See, after I took the medicine, I was relieved the pain. D. Before we do the experiment in the laboratory, let me appraise you all about it. E. The minister was escorted his personal bodyguard. Sorrowful time are lagged darkness. Writing skill from group of 8 students. This passage tells us only what the compare should try to visualize and write what the other people on the dash must have said their speech. Write only the main point. The school principal, the compare thanks to principal Dr. Ajinkya Prakhi. Second, the chief guest, the compare thanked the chief guest for releasing the book and formally inaugurating the art festival. Question number 2. Prepare a news report in brief on this art festivals? So answer is art college by a student reporter. Baland Vidyalaya June 26. Baland Vidyalaya had organized a art festival on 25th June 2024 in the school. Preparations for the same had begun days in advance. Their art teacher Mr. Silpa Shangne was confident as everything was well planned. The functions began with the lighting of the lamp followed by the welcome speech and introduction of guests. So, bye friends, take care. We will come back with next chapter with in the next video.